What's up, YouTube? Sorry for not being active recently. Been working a lot, doing some other stuff. Today, I'm doing something cool to the F350. You guys are going to enjoy it, and this is probably a really good welcome back video for me. This F350 pulled up into the driveway. But I'm going to get all the parts out and show you what I'm doing today. So today I am installing the Rough Country Dual shock kit for the front of the vehicle. So instead of 2 shocks, I'll have 4 shocks in the front. This is something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and now that I'm finally able to do it, I couldn't be more excited. I'm running some just regular O'Reilly brand shocks until I could do the Bilstein reservoirs in the front after I lift it. But I'm gonna kind of show you a step-by-step. It's not gonna be, you know, me taking off the old shock mount, but when I install the part, I'm going to talk about it a little bit and kind of show you what I did. So, can't wait to show you guys. So YouTube, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the wheels and then jack up the vehicle, and then we're going to start taking off the shock mounts. So, keep on watching, stay tuned. So YouTube, in order to take this off, it says the top is going to be an 18mm and then the bottom is going to be a 15mm socket and wrench, I believe. I'm going to go ahead and take that off, and then once that's done, we take off this bracket and replace it with the Rough Country bracket. So as the instructions ask you to do, they tell you to take this off with an 18mm and then a 15 right here. But if your bolt is broken like mine, that piece that holds it into place, then you're going to want to use a 13/16 wrench right here and then a 15mm socket here to take that off. Alrighty guys, so I got the shock off. Now these 3 bolts are going to be what's holding on the single shock mount. So you're just going to take your 15mm socket and undo these bolts. So I'll go ahead and do that for you. So I got the shock mount off. This is what it looks like. You're going to use your factory bolts that hold this shock mount on, and you're going to use it with this guy. You can take the time now to clean your frame off, or you could just put the bracket on like what I'm going to do. Okay, so I got the dual shock mount in, and I'm going to kind of show you. I'm going to just put all the shocks on and kind of show you what you need to do from here. Alright guys, so I got both of the shocks on the passenger side of the vehicle. I'm going to go ahead and button everything up and then do the other side and then show you the finished product. What's up guys, I just finished the dual shocks on my truck. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys right now. And look at that. Perfect. Oh yeah, they look good, they feel good, and the ride is a little bit stiffer, which I really do like. If you like what you see here on the channel, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of what I'm going to be posting. The truck build's coming along, and if you guys want to see that, you know, hit that subscribe button and click that bell notification to get notified when I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day.